You landed a clinical fellowship and you're officially getting paid as a speech therapy professional. You're making real differences in the lives of your patients. This is incredible, and you should bask in your accomplishments. And yet, something feels off. The setting or the work is so stressful. You don't like the setting. Something just isn't clicking, and yet you want to finish your CF experience. You want to be an independent clinician. So, what's a person to do? We know in life that nothing is permanent or lasts forever. You don't have to stay at one CF site. It makes it simpler if you stay, but you don't need to feel forced into it. So, what can you do? Wisdom says you have 3 options in any situation. The 3 options are leave it, change it, or accept it. For leave it, you can't fully leave the CF experience if you want to get your C's and be fully certified in the US. Most state boards require ASHA certification if you want to be licensed, which is a separate but less intense process. So if you can't completely leave the CF experience, maybe you could leave parts of it that are causing the most stress. The next option is to change it. For example, maybe you could change your work schedule. That's the thing that's feeling like it's giving you the most stress. A 9 to 5, 5 days a week can maybe be changed into 4 10-hour days. You could swap certain patients with a colleague. If you have a general feeling of dislike or it's hard to pinpoint exactly what you want to change, then find a time, about 5 minutes, to be in a quiet, safe space where you won't be interrupted. Take a mindful moment by taking a few slow, deep breaths. Imagine yourself in that stressful situation or setting. After a few moments, shift your attention to what's going on in your body. Shift your attention from your mind to what's happening in here. Where are there areas of tension, relaxation? Take a few moments and let go of what tension you can. Then investigate that tension. What thoughts and emotions are tied into that tension? Then you could ask yourself, what do I need right now? It could help you identify what areas in the setting that you might want to change. Let's say leaving it and changing it aren't options you tried, it didn't work, or it just isn't available to you. Your last option is to accept it, for now. Accepting something isn't about giving up or being passive. It means recognizing that you have chosen to be in a certain situation for now, and you'll examine the leaving or changing it options when different variables arise. For example, maybe your productivity standard raised to 90%. You tried your best, you just can't reach that number, so you try to leave it. You ask your supervisor to remain at that previous productivity standard. But they say it's a company-wide policy, all clinicians are expected to be at 90%, so you can't leave it. You try to change it. You can't change the standard itself, but maybe you could change the way you do things. You document more in person, you organize your day so it's more efficient. If you still dislike the standard despite trying to leave it or change it, then you could accept it. Accept that the 90% is here to say, accept that you're trying your best, and keep your feelers out for outside changes that makes leaving it or changing it possible. Overall, the CF experience is a big time of change, of growth, of possibility. For more guidance for a new adult speech therapist, or if you're a mentor and want to help your CF, visit adultspeechtherapy.co.